Let's learn good habits and bad habits. Brushing teeth is a good habit. Brushing teeth is a good habit to everyone.
Not brushing teeth is a bad habit. Not brushing is a bad habit for everyone. Washing hands is a good habit. Washing hands is a good habit to everyone.
Dirty hands is a bad habit. Dirty hands is a bad habit for everyone. Eating healthy food is a good habit. Healthy food is a good habit to everyone.
Eating healthy food is a good habit. Healthy food is a good habit to everyone. Eating junk food is a bad habit. Junk food is a bad habit for everyone.
Studying well is a good habit. Studying is a good habit to everyone. Not studying is a bad habit. Not studying is a bad habit for everyone.
Using dustbin is a good habit. Using dustbin is a good habit to everyone. Throwing trash is a bad habit. Throwing trash is a bad habit for everyone.
Sleeping early is a good habit. Sleeping early is a good habit to everyone. Sleeping late is a bad habit. Sleeping late is a bad habit for everyone.
Sharing toys is a good habit. Sharing toys is a good habit to everyone. Fighting with friends is a bad habit. Fighting is a bad habit for everyone.
Eating fruits is a good habit. Eating fruits is a good habit to everyone. Eating too many sweets is a bad habit. Too many sweets is a bad habit for everyone.
Listening to parents is a good habit. Listening is a good habit to everyone. Now messing is a bad habit. Not listening is a bad habit for everyone.
Good habits are good for everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.